One of the most important elements in the human diet is proteins. However, in the last few decades, the production of protein-based crops has declined to almost half. A blue-green algae, spirulina, is composed of approximately 65 to 71% proteins. It provides all the required amino acids and in a form that is 5 times easier to digest than meat or soya protein. On the other hand, entire production of spirulina meets out only 1% of world demand currently. Meet S. Thangaprabhakaran of Bioelixir Technologies Private Limited, the first-generation entrepreneur from the village Nellupattu in Thanjavur district of Tamil Nadu, who realized the potential of spirulina and decided to set up his own unit in his own village itself. Spirulina does not require synthetic chemicals for its enhanced growth. Bright sunlight is enough with a good source of water. Bioelixir offers protein-rich products in the form of health mix using natural flavors and ingredients.
Spirulina is the simplest source of human nutrition. Whatever I studied in my bioprocess technology, I applied here. Design of the pond, the design of the pedal wheels, design of the filtrations and the drying methods all are in my own innovation. Bioelixir current turnover is 30 lakhs. It will reach 100 lakhs in next financial year.
Since he turned up to the incubator in the year 2007, he attended many programs and meticulously followed all the instructions given by us. And by the time he finished MTech program in biotechnology, he became an entrepreneur aspirant instead of becoming a scientist in spirulina production. That is the impact the incubator created on this individual, Thangaprabhakaran.
Bioelixir gets the ISBA award for addressing a global issue, malnutrition, that affects every human being.
What is spirulina? Spirulina is a blue-green algae, one of nature's first phytosynthetic life forms that existed 3.6 billion years ago. In 1974, at the United Nations World Food Conference, it was announced that spirulina is the most ideal food for mankind. UNESCO concurred and declared that spirulina is the most ideal and perfect food of tomorrow. According to the World Health Organization, spirulina is mankind's best health supplement in the 21st century, while the US Department of Agriculture concluded that spirulina is food for the future. Further, spirulina has been recommended by NASA and the European Space Agency as one of the primary foods to be cultivated during long-term space missions. Spirulina uses sunlight to make its own food in a process called photosynthesis. This process produces energy for its growth. With 3.6 billion years of evolutionary wisdom encoded in its DNA, spirulina is well known as a superfood. This superfood is rich in 5 major nutrients such as proteins, carbohydrates, essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and others. One of the key elements that most living creatures, including humans, need for healthy development is protein. As compared with other types of food or supplements, spirulina is the most concentrated whole food source of protein and is totally alkaline. With up to 70% protein content of its dry weight, spirulina contains far more protein than most types of food. Not only that, the biological ratio of protein in spirulina is complete, wherein it provides 8 essential amino acids, as well as 10 non-essential amino acids. The digestibility of protein in spirulina is one of the highest in any food, at the rate of 95%. The dry weight of spirulina contains 15 to 25% carbohydrate and has a high amount of polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFAs, up to 2% of 5% total lipid. In particular, spirulina is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, 36% of total PUFAs, which is 3 times more than evening primrose oil. This remarkable superfood is a treasure trove of vitamins such as B complex, vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin H, vitamin K, The vitamin B12 content in spirulina is about 2.5 times higher than cow liver, and it has 25 times more beta-carotene than raw carrots. In addition, spirulina contains many minerals including iron, potassium, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, zinc, chromium, and selenium. Spirulina's content of iron is 56 times higher than spinach. It is also rich in enzymes and chlorophyll, a green pigment common to plants. In fact, spirulina's content of chlorophyll is 30 times higher than wheatgrass. Phycocyanin is a blue pigment in spirulina that efficiently binds to heavy metals and radioisotopes and facilitates their elimination from the body. Undoubtedly, spirulina is one of the most impressive varieties and concentrations of functional nutrients ever known in any food, plant, grain or herb. These facts are acknowledged by the United Nations World Health Organization through its creation of the Intergovernmental Institution for the Use of Microalgae Spirulina Against Malnutrition, IMSAM, in 2001. The IMSAM is currently running pilot projects using spirulina to fight severe malnutrition around the world with promising results. Spirulina is truly your food for life.